After the fishermen catch all of the juicy, fresh shrimp, where does it go once it leaves the boat?
You brought the shrimp in from the boats,
Yes.
and now what we did was we had them cleaned and put them into these vats with ice water. Domestic, wild American, white Louisiana shrimp that we're now going to put into an inspection belt, pick out all the soft shells and pieces. We then grade it for size. Absolutely no chemicals. These came right from the boat, and they're going right into the package, into the store.
Most folks don't even know if they're eating domestic shrimp or not.
90% think they're eating domestic shrimp when they're actually eating imports.
Loving shrimp as much as I do, I couldn't hold myself back. I had to inspect, grade, and package the shrimp with my own 2 hands.
Wow, beautiful, yummy!